Yay! Happy almost Christmas. Good morning.
Who is with my cartoon?
Father.
That's
Father.
Dad.
That's why
Dad.
Dad say hi to the camera.
He's shy.
Well, sorry we didn't start first episode.
Well, we are going to school, so please like and subscribe this Vlogmas, whatever they call it. If you like it, or yeah, give us a thumbs up.
Hey people, good morning and happy new month. Welcome to the month of December. I'm sorry I'm going to be doing this intro looking out of bed, okay? It's been a long time I picked up my camera to talk to you guys. That is because it's been very well, okay? But I'm happy that I am going to be officially joining the Vlogmas trend this year. Yeah! So this year you're going to be doing Vlogmas, so you want to stay tuned, you want to stay connected. We're going to be doing a lot of recipes, of course. We're going to be doing a lot of vlogs. Hopefully, we're going to be doing a lot of chit chat, okay? Yes, we're going to be talking and we're going to be doing a lot of unboxing, guys. So please, if you want to subscribe, join the trend, keep liking the video, and please subscribe to my channel if you have not. And then, yeah, just enjoy the rest of the vlog. Catch you guys.
Bye.
Bye.
2nd December 2021 in Port Harcourt, Rivers State. It's still raining fire and brimstone like every day. Since the month of November, we've not rested. We've not had, free day without rain. It's been crazy, guys. It's been raining non-stop, like every single day. Oh, Nigeria, oh Nigeria. Or is it even River State, oh River State? It's something else. As you can see, it is 4 p.m. right now and my kids are still in school because it is still raining. Oh my goodness. Because there's a lot of traffic, so I can't even leave the house. I have ordered the ride to bring them back for me. Hopefully I get back home on time. Yeah. God help us.
Hi guys. We are back from school. It's 4 o'clock. It's raining cats and dogs. Pigs are flying everywhere. So maybe tomorrow we'll show you everything. School, house, whatever. Tomorrow, like a whole bunch of stuff here. So tomorrow, so on Saturday, I like keep tuning in. Keep tuning in. We're gonna show a lot of recipes, delicious recipes, vlogs, chit chats, decorations, unboxing. I'm making it like a subscribe. Okay, you're definitely especially the recipes. Oh my god. So this will end Vlogmas Day 2. So if you tuning in,
Hugs and kisses.
hugs and kisses, feel